Cajun fried catfish recipe. Ingredients: 4 catfish fillets, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, which is optional, 1 cup of cornmeal, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, vegetable oil for frying, and lemon wedges for serving. Alright, let's move on to the instructions. Prep the catfish. Rinse the catfish fillets under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. In a shallow dish, combine the buttermilk and hot sauce if you're using it. Add the catfish fillets to the buttermilk mixture, making sure they are fully submerged. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. This helps tenderize the fish and adds flavor. Prepare the breading. In another shallow dish, combine the cornmeal, flour, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt and black pepper. Mix well. Bread the catfish. Heat about 1 inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet or cast iron pan over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Remove the catfish fillets from the buttermilk, allowing any excess to drip off. Dredge each fillet in the cornmeal mixture, pressing gently to ensure an even coating. Fry the catfish. Carefully place the breaded fillets into the hot oil, cooking in batches if necessary to avoid overcrowding the pan. Fry each fillet for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until golden brown and crispy. The internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or 63 degrees Celsius. Use a slotted spoon or tongs to transfer the fried catfish to a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve. Serve the Cajun fried catfish hot, with lemon wedges on the side for squeezing over the top. Pair with your favorite sides like coleslaw, hush puppies or fries. Enjoy your delicious Cajun fried catfish.